Hello friends, welcome back once again to another exciting episode of A1 Creative Studio. So today our discussion will be focused on the topic. It's a controversial topic: Indian fireworks versus Chinese fireworks. Most of time we are saying that say no to the Chinese fireworks. Why and why to our Indian fireworks? Friends, from the starting of this discussion, I will only say this is only a discussion and the datas which are available from the internet which we are studying. So why to say no to the Chinese fireworks? Why should there be banned? Whether you can say some maybe say this may be a political issue, but I will not say this is. I don't take it politically or anything or emotionally. It is because we are living in India. So for the growth of our economy, the main point of view is to growth of our economy. We should be very Swadeshi in nature. We should use our made in India products as much as possible so that our economic growth will be more. Or I am not the authority to ban any product which are coming to India. But for our growth of our country, as we are a developing nation, for our growth, we should concentrate on our products much and consume as less as other products, what maybe or Chinese or anything else. I am not going to mark anyone. But now the Deepavali, which is we can say the Deepavali is coming very soon, we can say. So from several posts, now we are going to get that the Chinese fireworks have gripped India ahead of today's Diwali festival, and with New Delhi asking states to guard against dangerous imports from China. Fireworks are the only component of annual Hindu festival of lights, and that is yet to be taken over by the Chinese. Other festivals such as lights, gifts, decorations, and idols of gods, goddess have mostly come from China in recent years as they are cheaper and very more local fare. The Chinese fireworks include potassium chloride, which is dangerous chemical and can ignite or explode spontaneously when mixed with combustible material. The Minister of Home Affairs warned, moreover, the Indian fireworks industry is under threat from these products as these are low priced due to usage of potassium chloride. Indian law bar fireworks that mix any kind of chloride with sulfur. Chinese fireworks have been denied import license on the ground that they are considered rich in chlorates. But that has failed to stop Chinese sparklers and firecrackers from being smuggled into India. Last year, 4 containers stopped with Chinese fireworks were seized at Mumbai port. But the government estimates that at least 600 containers may have entered India through several ports this year. Large quantity of Chinese fireworks also entered India overland from Nepal. But in the fireworks market in Old Delhi, Chandni Chowk area and Chatipur, Calcutta, shopkeepers fiercely denied stocking Chinese items. We only stock Sipkasi products, sells some of the fireworks and refer to southern India town considered fireworks capital. The annual turnover of Indian fireworks industry is estimated over 370 million US dollar. India is the second biggest producer of fireworks after China, with most of our product consumed domestically. But the attractive variety of pricing of Chinese fireworks now threaten to challenge the Sipkasi monopoly and the livelihood more than 7,50,000 people who depends upon the industry. So in this, if we go to this and Sipkasi, I like to say it's an Indian product. So please, I will request for our economy, for our economic development, please use our products, the Sipkasi products or any products which are authorized in India to sell in made in India, so that our peoples will grow, our economy will grow. So friends, it's my humble request, my humble submission that please buy Indian products, because for the sake of our economy, I am not going to give any particular mark to any company, the Chinese, because we are the second largest producer in fireworks and China is the first. So we should, though the Chinese product which are coming through illegally, these products are coming India illegally, so they are very cheap. They are not giving any tax to our government, nothing. So they entered to India in a very cheap price. When they are coming to India without any tax, VAT or anything else, nothing to. So 2 things will happen. One is these crackers are harmful, and secondly, though they are very cheap, it compared to our Indian made products, it doesn't contain any warranty. It will very much harmful. It may explode at spontaneously, anything can be happen, any major mishap can be happen, and let forget everything. But for sake of our country, for sake of our people who depends upon these their for their day-to-day activity, they are depend on these industries, power industries. So please do buy our Indian products, help our Indian people, help Indian economy to go to the great extent, and let's export our products to other countries. So this Diwali, I hope, let's promise to buy Indian products, Indian fireworks at our best. And one more thing I will say, not only Indian fireworks but also our lightings, the lights which are using in the Diwali, Chinese lights which are very made in China or made in PRC. So always look at these labels, made in India. That's low labels should be made in India, and ask for proper bills, and buy products from authorized sellers, not from the lookers. Only buy products from the authorized sellers, not from the lookers, so that you will get, and ask them for give made in India fireworks and lights. Hope this Diwali is a very safe and very happy Diwali. So with this, say yes to our Indian products. Be Swadeshi. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande Mataram.